Can you hear me? If you hear me, you have good ears. Still mixing. Oh, can I just do something? Move your butt cheeks. It's gonna be on the pancake. Okay. A lot of mixing. Yeah. Ooh. Oh, I made a mark.
What?
What is it? Mixing, mixing, mix, mix, mixing, mixing, mix, mix. Mixing, mixing, mix, mix, more mixing. Washing hands, washing hands.
Right.
That's my bottle.
Okay, get out of the kitchen just for 10 minutes.
Why? Why?
Because I need to make space for them.
Could I leave this on video?
No. There's no point. We just leave it on while I'm doing the washing up.
Washing up?
Make your pancakes now.
Okay, but let's do washing up. Let's do a shawl.
Can you get out of the kitchen, please?
You little rascal! You big butt. Hey, you big. Okay, part 3 will be coming. I think there's gonna be actually a part 3. Seriously. Yeah. Because I don't think we have enough for you 3. Okay.
Why am I all black?
Move your butt.